Hey, good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well. This is Poonam Avasthi, your SST teacher. Today, in this part of natural resources, land, soil, and water, we are going to quickly recap this lesson with some questions. Although you all have done assignments, so almost all the questions are done, but here we'll be doing some more questions, and by that, we are going to revise it and it is going to increase your answer writing skills also. So here we go. So children, in this chapter we have done three resources: land resources, soil resources and water resources. Yes or no? And in this we have learned importance, threats and conservation of each resource. In soil resources specifically, we have done formation, types and layers of soil. All these three we have done in soil resources. So this is a quick recap of the lesson. Now we will begin to the questions. Question number 1 is, what are natural resources? So only meaning is required and you can give one or more example. After that, how does land fulfill our needs? Then next is, name few landforms. Question number 4 is, what are the factors that determine the pattern in which a particular region is used? It means you have to write land use pattern, factors of that. Give a brief description of soil composition. Direct question of layers of the soil. And then what are the factors that did soil formation? Only factors are required. In the next question, mention some methods that are used to conserve soil. So conservation methods. So if you carefully observe, children, so more or less questions are same, but the way of asking, the language is different. So you have to read the question carefully and you will be able to write the correct answer. Next is, what is water cycle? Question number 9 is, what are the causes for the destruction of natural resources? So natural resources are destructing. What are the causes behind that? Natural causes and man-made causes. So you can write mixed of both. Next question is, suggest 2 ways to conserve water resources. So in this you have to write the conservation methods. After that, why is Earth called the water planet? So in the video of water resource chapter, in the beginning only we have discussed this. You can get an idea from that video if you are not able to write this answer. Last question is, how will you avoid wastage of water in your school? So this question is specifically asking about school. How can we avoid wastage of water? So we have to write suggestions here. Okay? Clear everybody? This is it for today. In case of any doubt, feel free to write in the comment box. You know that I am always available there. I do reply to all the comments. So don't hesitate. Write your queries there and I will for sure reply. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.